Hello everybody, and you are in a tunnel, a snow tunnel. Oh my god. That's right, snow tunnel. Me and my friend Jaden dug it ourselves. There's nothing but our hands, small shovel, and a flashlight. Can we slide right through that now?
Yeah, probably.
Alright, I'm gonna go right through it. Alright, here we go, man. Whoa. Okay. Jaden, I'm in. Pull me on through. Oh, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Oh. Come on. Come on. Keep pulling. Oh, we're through. Yes. Yeah. Woo.
Yeah.
Yeah. There it is. Right there. Woo. We made it. There you go.
That is awesome.
All the way through. Yeah.
It's easy if you go in frontward, because you can use your hands to cross.
That's amazing.
It's awesome.
Oh, I can't believe we did that.
Dude, this is tight.
That's amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
Oh, no. Thanks for watching.